Railroad. You got the CBL3 job today. Sign up time is 7:30 a.m. at the closet yard. Okay?
Mr. Rhythm and his beautiful niece are called for the assignment CBL3 today. As usual, the owner of this railroad, a low tech guy, messed up and didn't record the entire operation session. If you're wondering why he didn't record its entirety, you're expecting him too much. Obviously he's not thinking anything. These segments are from the operation session. Mr. Rhythm is the engineer conductor. His smart and beautiful niece is the brakeman.
There's two horns there.
And the owner of this layout is acting as the trainmaster who is trying to find rule violations and reasons to fire them. The low-tech trainmaster is discretionary, following them and binoculars in his hand, hiding everywhere.
Amy!
Can they survive on the CBL3 job?
You see the one right next to the car there?
They already finished the toilet bowl manufacture and the plunger lumber dealer work.
I gotta get to that guy.
Now they're working on the biosolids facility, which is the crew nicknamed it the poop.
That was so boring. I love it. I mess up the timing. Yeah! Everyone. Alright, I'm gonna push back.
Against the low-tech trainmaster's expectations, they finished the West End work swiftly. Now they're back at the closet yard. Started building the East End job drain. At this time, the low-tech trainmaster is affected by his short attention span. He totally forgot about observing CBL3 crew and only thinking about a pepperoni pizza.
This is so much easier. The microtrains.
Hi. I can't work under pressure.
Now the East End train built, they're heading to the first stop. The team track, which is nicknamed Dirt.
Wobbly track, wobbly track, wobbly track. What am I picking those cars up? You didn't tell me what to do yet.
This is the blooper scenes.
Alright, so how would this work? The guy hops on here and he brings it back and then jumps off? Because he's lazy? Just pull it out? Pretty really far away though. Long walk. Good. Your breath is coming off. Your sun shaking. You got the easy. Shoot, shoot.
Now they're working on the general food processor plant. The factory makes a generic brand of potato chips. The low-tech trainmaster is now watching if they're stealing discarded potato chip bags from the ground or not. But Mr. Rhythm and his beautiful niece is perfectly performing their work. The low-tech trainmaster couldn't find any rule violations and he started munching discarded potato chips by himself from the frustration. Now they're working on the transload facility. He finally sees a violation. Now, the low-tech trainmaster comes out from nearby bush and tells them that the caboose is fouling the track. Mr. Rhythm tells him to wait and just watch.
Oh man. Oh man.
Mr. Rhythm and his beautiful niece used their experience and expertise and successfully completed CBL3's work and stayed in service. The evil low-tech trainmaster has vanished into thin air. Mr. Rhythm and his beautiful niece each lived happily ever after. The end.